Hey everyone, so I thought I'd do a quick video this week on packing. Packing is my most asked question that we get, so I thought I'd take the time this week to give you this bonus video and let you know all our secrets to packing minimally. Typically, the boys and I travel with 3 carry-on suitcases and 3 backpacks, one for each of us, a backpack and a carry-on for each of us. But I'm gonna show you how we packed for our Mexico trip that we did a month ago. It was for 2 weeks and we only brought 2 carry-ons and 2 backpacks. As a single parent, I try to keep everything minimal because I gotta pay attention to my kids while we're traveling. Safety first. I do not check my luggage because I've had too many bad experiences and have shown up to destinations without my luggage. And that's just something I don't want to worry about. I want to take all the worry I can and prepare as much as I can when I travel because my only concern should be my kids while I'm traveling. So if you want to know our travel secrets to traveling the world with minimal luggage, keep watching. Files, clearing off all my SD and micro SD cards onto my external hard drive. Clear out those files and make sure they're backed up so you don't freak out when it comes to it. Make sure all your batteries are charged for your GoPro, your camera, anything you need batteries for. So I do not bring a purse with me when I travel. I bring a belt bag. This is my adventure one that I take out and rough up. This is Walker Goods. And then I keep 2 credit cards and my debit card, sunglasses, a pen, always bring a pen, rubber band, mask, cash, and then I have the boys and my passports and our global entry cards. I pack our passports and global entry cards in the back of the bag. So this is the part that's closest to me. I packed the rest in the front pocket. It has a zipper pocket. The very front pocket is fleece lined, which I like because then I can put my sunglasses in there and they won't get scratched. First, I lay everything out on the bed. That way I can figure out if I'm missing anything. I go through outfits in my head. I go through days in my head and figure out, am I needing a specific outfit for something or not? And now I'm gonna try and fit these clothes into those 2 carry-on suitcases. We try and do laundry partway through so that we don't have to pack as much. So these are clothes for about 5 to 7 days. I buy clothes that are interchangeable, that we can mix outfits. Because we're going to a warm climate, it's easier to pack because clothes are smaller. I only brought 2 swimsuits, each for the boys, 2 for me, a pair of workout clothes, pajamas, 2 pairs of shorts for the boys. I have 3 pairs of shorts, and then I pack 5 shirts each, underwear, 5 socks, only a couple, and then I have 3 dresses over there, hygiene products, makeup, everything, pills, everything right there. So my secret, I think, to packing well and to packing all of this into this are packing cubes. You can find these on Amazon, they're super cheap. Roll your clothes, roll them up, fit them tightly inside these packing cubes, and then these go inside your luggage. Another tip is to remove bulky items. So I'm taking some pills with me for gut health and whatnot, and I take what I need and I put it in Ziploc bags and I put it in this tiny little thing so that I'm not carrying around a bunch of bottles. I usually get a travel size of sunscreen, but my sisters are checking a bag, so I bought a big one and I'm just gonna check it with their bag. So the secret is packing cubes and rolling your clothes. And if you have it all laid out, you don't need to worry that you're missing anything because you know it's all there, and then you just start going for it. So what's great about these little cases, make sure you clean them all out and only put in and bring what you need. I try to wear the biggest, heaviest shoe to the airport, but we have a lot of room right here, so I am gonna pack them and then we can wear our flip-flops to the airport. So I use Away luggage, and it's their smaller carry-on with no battery in it. And we totally nailed this 5 to 7 days in Mexico in 2 carry-ons. Sweet. So now we're packing electronics. I have a bag just for electronics, and I usually do not use this bag. I have a bigger backpack that I use for electronics because sometimes I carry my big camera in it, but I'm not bringing it this trip. So this bag right here is going to carry my laptop, the boys' iPads, my SD cards, 2 GoPros, batteries, my headphones, my external hard drive, and chargers. Make sure you clean out all your bags before you start loading them so that you only bring what you need. So let's fit it all in. Last and final bag that we bring is just a small kids backpack that they carry and that has everything they need. So I put snacks in there. We'll put markers in here, coloring stuff, Legos, toys, anything that they want to bring, we put in this little bag and they have to carry it. It's their responsibility. That way they have their own bag that they can store all their stuff in and I'm not worried about it. And they're responsible for it. Win-win. Okay, so there it is. We packed for 3 people in 2 carry-on luggages and 2 backpacks. And there's my little butt bag thing right there. I try to make it simple and easy so that I don't have to worry about luggage. I can just worry about my kids and where we're going and what we need to do next. Because if I have to worry about luggage, it's just another thing that I don't want to worry about. So I try to make it simple, pack simple, don't overpack, don't pack what you don't need. Most of the things that you need, you can buy when you get to the place that you're going. So if you forget something, it's not a huge deal. So make sure you pack the things that you know you can't get anywhere else. But all the rest, if you forget something, usually other places have them. If you pack well and think through your plans beforehand, then you'll be prepared for everything that you need. Enjoy your time where you're going and don't worry about the rest. So if this video helped you guys, please like and subscribe, check out the rest of our videos, and we'll see you around the world.